What's up YouTube? Welcome back to IT Master Tech News channel. Today we will have a quick unboxing of the official Amazfit GTR 42mm official watch bands, watch straps sent from the Amazfit store directly. I got the blue color and they will be the same quality, which is I really like the ones that came with the watch in box. There are some kind of feeling that you don't feel this is the silicone, but it's some kind of soft finish. I really like it, so that's why I have ordered the same quality and another color. Let's do the unboxing and see what I got from the Amazfit store. Yeah, looking nice, very nice presentation, nice packing, everything in the Xiaomi Amazfit style, good packaging materials, and you see the blue color. It has some kind of name, I don't remember which blue, but sky blue, yeah, this one is the sky blue. 20mm. This is, I assume, the model A19091, Amazfit, Amazfit.com, and then everything is English here. Version colorful series with 20mm, material silicone, color sky blue, compatible for Amazfit GTR 42mm, Amazfit BIP series, 20mm watch band with products that come use the 20mm watch bands. Anhui Huami technology, made in China. Let's start the opening of these nice watch bands. As you can see, they are always putting the very easy removable thing, and then we are getting our watch band opened. Okay. Okay, so we have I feel the already quality. Yeah, they are same, and the nice. I like that this one is different color. For the, as you can see, for the red one, which is some kind of orange red, because on the camera it looks like very orange, but in reality it's a more red color. This one has some silver finish, and this one is like a space gray, some kind of dark gray finish, which is really nice. I thought that it will come the same buckle, but this is the different. Very nice. Okay, let's try them real quick. Everything is same quality. This is original Amazfit. It has a writing here, and the quality is the same. And size is the same, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's move on and try the straps to see how it will look like with my silver watch. I especially get this color because I get tired of the black watches, and this one is look more stylish for me. Okay, very easy, very easy. Let's move on and replace the second one. Okay. Oops. Yeah, we are done. This is how it looks like, guys. You can see like this, and then let me try on my verse. I really like the color. I am the fan of the blue color, different blue color gradients, and this one is the one of my favorites. This also has this thing inside, which I cannot show you, but I will show on another watch, another strap, Let's try this one. Okay, here is the final result. Okay, this is how it looks like on the wrist with the silver aluminum finish watch. Yeah, quality is very nice. I'm happy with the product what I get. It's cost me $7.99, I think, with the shipping included, with free shipping, which is the great for the quality the product you are getting. This is the good price. What I wanted to show, guys, this is this thing, small thing. I think you can see it's the lock, some kind of lock, which is when you tighten your strap, it goes here and don't let get out, which is very nice. The people who are wearing the watches, they will understand me. So that this one also have that small thing. I don't know how it's visible in the camera, but it has that because it's the original Xiaomi and it's everything is the same what you are getting in the box. Hit subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel. Leave your comments, whatever the other colors you want to see. And that's it. I will start wearing the blue one and the red ones. They look nice. Stay well, stay cool. Peace, guys.